welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing a Hush Beauty makeup unboxing video. I am super excited. The company contacted me a couple weeks ago asking me if I could do an unboxing video, so of course I had to say yes because I have been so interested in this company. And if you guys don't know what Hush Beauty is, it is an app where they sell dupes that are like really affordable of high-end makeup, and they have like so many beautiful palettes that have various colors and they just look absolutely stunning. So I have always been so skeptical. I'm like, I wonder if it is actually pigmented, if the color payoff is great. I just want to know more about this company. So they sent me, I think, 8 different palettes or something like that, and I'm going to swatch a few. And if you guys are new here to my channel, don't know what my name is, my name's Leilani, and I upload a new video every Wednesday and Saturday, so make sure you click that subscribe button down below. I would absolutely love that. So I'm just super excited to open everything, so let's just get into the video. So right here I have this little like checklist of all the items they gave me. And how many is it? It's 7 palettes to be exact. So everything is like around $12 to $20, which is not bad for palettes, because a lot of high-end palettes can range from like over $40 and it's absolutely insane. So I just cannot wait. Geez, they like totally bubble wrapped this. Oh, actually it is 8 palettes. One of them was just like a bundle, so that's why it was like 20 bucks. So this is the first palette that I see. It is called Amazonia. Ooh, dang. These colors though. Wow, this color is like super bright. Let's swatch the really bright color. Wow, that's actually really pigmented. Nice, I'm impressed. This is going in the right direction. I was not expecting this. They're actually pretty good. They have nice pigmentation. So this is called Mermaid Glow. It is a highlight palette. So the packaging is like very simple but really cute as well. Aww, the colors are so pretty. I don't know how I feel about that one. I don't know if I would necessarily wear that as a highlight. I feel like it's just like too chunky, the glitter. I don't know. I could see it more as a eyeshadow, but not as a highlight. And then we have another highlight collection. This is called Unicorn What? I don't know where I'm reading candy from. It says Glow. Unicorn Glow. Don't know where I got candy from, but whatever. They're kind of similar though, the 2 palettes, now that I'm looking at them. Like this one and this one have green highlights. And then they also have a purple highlight. And then like a more whitish highlight. And then they just have like interesting highlights that I don't think I would like ever really use, but it is always good to have like those random colors in your collection because you never know if you're going to do like a unique makeup look. This is the Sahara palette. It's like very messy when you open it. Like, there's like eyeshadows all over the place. It's as if like someone used the palette. I guess I'll just clean it up with my makeup wipe. This is what the pigmentation looks like for a few of these eyeshadows. This is the Athena palette. It has 18 eyeshadows. Ooh, and then this one color on the bottom here, when you bend it in certain lights, it changes colors. Like when I bend it like this, it's pink, but then when I bend it like this, it's yellow. Wow, that's cool. Wait, I kind of want to swatch these now, especially this weird one. Guys, I literally just dipped my finger in this color and the whole eyeshadow moved. Like you can literally scoop out the glitter. See guys, look at this. It's like I'm playing with sand. Like, I feel like the glitter eyeshadow should be something like within its own container. Let's see if the other sparkles do this too. The other ones are fine. They don't do that weird thing. That was so weird. I still can't get over that. I'm like so shook over that glitter. Like, that's so annoying. Why would they put that in a palette? So this palette looks like it's the sister of this one, because this one's Athena and this one is Aphrodite. So, I mean, I guess they're like supposed to complement each other. Ooh, these are pretty. There's like a lot of shimmers and then a lot of mattes, I've noticed, within each palette. And then this is the last palette. I think there's a lot of like yellows, brown, random sparkle colors. It's just like a bunch of random colors. And Hush Beauty sells brands like Face Candy and Bad Habit. Those are the two companies that are known for doing a lot of dupes for different palettes and makeup. And this app is awesome because, of course, for all the makeup lovers who would love to spend and like splurge on like a $65 eyeshadow palette, but no one's got that kind of money laying around. So this is nice because Hush provides you with a cheaper alternative to the high-end makeup products. So I am done with the first impressions side of this video, and now I'm going to tell you guys what these palettes are dupes for. So this one, which is the Aphrodite palette, it is a dupe for the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Edition palette. And it does look very, very similar. I wonder how the like pigmentation compares like between this palette and then the actual Huda Beauty palette. I definitely want to try to do a eyeshadow look in the future using this palette because I think this is absolutely beautiful and the colors in this palette are really fun. This one would probably have to be one of my favorites out of the other palettes. Like some of the other palettes, I didn't like how a lot of the colors were chalky and some of them were just like not that pretty, the colors. So I really liked that one a lot. The Athena palette is a dupe for the Huda Desert Dusk palette. The only thing I didn't like about this palette was this, like the glitter. I felt like it should have been in a jar. Like, I don't know why they added this in a palette if it wasn't going to be like a pressed eyeshadow, if you know what I mean. But yeah, all of the colors are just really, really pretty. I just don't know when I would use them because they are very like bold. These two palettes are dupes for the Kylie Cosmetics Naughty and Nice palettes. I don't remember which one is a dupe for the specific palette, but yeah, that's why these are a bundle, because they're supposed to be like a copycat of the Kylie Cosmetics products. This Retro Love eyeshadow palette is a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. Oh my goodness, when you do a side-by-side of these two palettes, they look so similar, which is absolutely crazy. And most of the eyeshadows are matte in this palette, so that's really nice too. And I really like the packaging for this one because like it just like closes really nicely. This Unicorn Glow highlight palette is a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora palette. That is the pink palette, and you could so tell like with this palette and then the Mermaid Glow that these are dupes for Anastasia. Like even the packaging looks very similar and the colors are just like spot on with how the Anastasia palettes look. But I wouldn't say that they are dupes. I feel like the highlights are definitely a lot chalkier. And then like I said before, this is a dupe for the Anastasia Moonlight palette. I do love the colors in this palette. I think they are so pretty. And I feel like these palettes are the perfect alternative for anyone who is looking for some really great makeup products but are on a budget. And I feel like these are beginner friendly as well. Like they would be perfect for those who are like starting to get into makeup. So that is it with this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment down below any video requests that you have for me. I would greatly appreciate it. And also click that subscribe button down below and comment when done. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!